How to return an item on Shein. So we want to click on the Me icon in the bottom right corner, and then you want to click on returns. So once we have gone to this page, we want to scroll until we see all orders and select this option right here. And then if you want to return an order, all we have to do is select the order itself. And then you will be able to see an option to return it right here. So you want to look for the option that says return item. So after you click on return item, then it will show us a list of all of the companies that we can use to actually transfer our item back to the Shein warehouse. So after you have selected the company that you want to transfer your package with, then you can track your order in the returns tab right here to see if Shein has received the item and if they can give you a refund back. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.